guys, can you see the amount of highlighter it is? My face is having. I just love highlighters.
Hi guys, this is Shruti and welcome back to my channel. This video, as the name suggests, caters around how I framed and styled my sari, as I wanted to look good in the particular plain sari, because I don't feel like wearing a lot of heavy material over me, because it's a summer time, and once you wear that heavy embroidered saris, you get to sweat extra and you get to look more oily. So guys, I just make sure that I would wear a plain sari and do something extra with my
blouse, extra with my blouse.
So let's go inside the video and check what I did.
Hi guys, so I have like two things in mind. Either we can go and create or buy a ready-made blouse of that sort, or we can just buy a cloth and create the whole look. I'm not planning to go for a sleeveless look. I have some different thing in my mind, so let's go and see.
I was quite tired with the full sleeves and with sleeveless blouses, so I wanted the sleeve to like kind of just go down like here, and the back should remain plain as it is with backless strips, and I wanted to the neck area to look very good.
So me and mommy just searched around the areas where it was possible to get a piece of cloth as well as the laces around to make the blouse perfect.
It's very important to have an inspiration and an idea before you go and stitch or design something of your own.
So guys, my inspiration behind this perfect look was Nitya Bhagal's sari, which she wore from Urban Tarzi.
So I just had something in mind, but I was not sure about it. So I just had a word with my tailor, and she guided me about how I can go around and leave the sleeves,
Guys, I did try searching for some ready-made blouses, but sadly I couldn't find anyone. And so I decided to design one.
I just framed the whole sari, the whole look that I wanted to create, and discussed with her, and she then guided me about what should I go for and what should I how should I carry it.
Also, finding a perfect lace for my blouse wasn't difficult.
I do look like messed up hell right now, but let's see what the blouse is and how the blouse is and what has been made out of my blouse. So let's go. Hey guys, so this is how the sari has turned out to be. I am so happy with the blouse, with my sari, with my makeup, absolutely. So, that's it guys.
So guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thumbs up if you liked it. And do check my Instagram channel, because my Instagram channel has a lot of things that would help you guys.